day here in Battambang. We're going to go check out Butterfly Tours that was recommended and do a 23-kilometer bike ride that's called Traditional Livelihoods. You go out in the countryside and see how a lot of the local people live and make their livelihoods. Let's go check it out.
Always wear protection. Hello. Okay, for the first stop, we're going to learn how to make rice paper in the traditional Cambodian way. And we're going to take some pictures of it. Well, now that we're expert rice paper makers, we're going to head off and we're going to learn the fine art of making dried mini bananas. Now go ahead and laugh, but this is actually a really technical process and takes years of practice. So after scarfing down 2 packs of these bananas and buying about 4 more, it's time to head off to make some rice wine. Pretty easy process. They cook the rice and then they mix it with a yeast. And then they take it and they put it in the bucket to ferment. Yep. And then take the bucket, dump it into this cooker here, and the steam comes up. Boom. Distilled rice wine. So now, after learning about making rice wine and rice paper, our journey wouldn't be complete without learning how to make rice noodles. Well, we're way far out now, and this is really deep in the villages, so we get to cross through one of these authentic local markets and actually see how they make the noodles and then make their traditional Cambodian fish soup. But as exciting as it was to learn how to make the noodles, we had to pass on the fish soup. Given the sanitary conditions deep out in the villages of Cambodia, I don't know if I'd recommend actually giving it a taste. All right, next stop, fish paste market. We forgot our nose plugs, but we're gonna grit and bear it. Got off our bike tour, and I gotta say the guide was awesome. Spoke great English. We had some extra stops along the way, see some great architecture. I don't know, I'd have to say it was a 5 for me. I really had a good time. Yeah. You give 5?
I like it too. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, I would highly recommend it. And right behind us we have the website address that you can check out if you want to join one of the butterfly tours. www.butterflytour.asia. Check them out. One adventure down and one to go, and that's right. If you've ever heard about Battambang, then you've probably heard about the Bat Caves. And I'll tell you, there's nothing more exhilarating than seeing over 1 million bats flying from a tall granite cave into the sunset. It is just a magical and slightly stinky experience. Okay, 5:15, right outside of the Bat Cave. In about 15 minutes, 1 million bats will be coming out of this cave and flying in, and who knows what direction. The guy said they could go directly toward the sunset, directly out that way, or directly right at us. So we're chilling at the Bat Pub, which is the only area around here that has a second floor.
And so hopefully we can get at least a few good preliminary shots from here, and then run around and get some more shots, but really an epic moment. So looking forward to it.
Oh, check it out, Surf. There they are.
Oh my god, it's real stream of bats.
So finally, once you had your fill of bats, make sure to go hike up to the top of the mountain where the bats fly out of. You can actually get a fantastic view of the sunset, and I'll tell you, Cambodian sunsets have got to be some of the best in the world.
Hi guys, thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you guys so much for watching. We so appreciate it. Really hope you enjoyed the Battambang video. What was your favorite part of Battambang?
My unforgettable and favorite part was 1 million bats.
1 million bats.
Yes.
More than 1 million bats.
Oh, I didn't count, but it was crazy.
Yeah. No, I agree. The bats that's a must go see, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay a thing to go see the bats. And you got the Bat Pub right there. If you get there a little bit early, you can get an awesome spot right on the corner that we had, like right by the balcony there. It's amazing. You got to go see it. Hope you guys enjoy your trip to Battambang if you're headed there. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you really liked it, hit the subscribe button. We need you. And if you have feedback for us, throw it in the comment section. Lastly, don't forget to check out my photography at kyleanthonyphotography.com, and we will see you next time.